I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. You ever see somebody do drywall? These people are experts. They're artists. And I have a deep appreciation for what drywall folks do. They can make seams and joints disappear. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the tricks that I picked up from a drywall expert. How to cut drywall like a pro. Let's dive in. Now, I used to think that you had to cut through both sides with a utility knife or with a drywall saw. That actually creates a bigger mess than you want. So we won't need the saw. And we're not cutting through both sides. What we will need is a drywall square. This is 48 inches across, which it's the width of our drywall sheet. So we're gonna mark off 48 inches. We can use a tape, or I can actually use the edge of the square. Mark off 48. The next thing, we're gonna line up our square, and with our foot, we're gonna hold that square right tight up against the drywall. We're only gonna cut the paper of the drywall. Now with the paper on one side of the drywall cut, now comes the trick part. We're gonna take our square out of the way, take our drywall away from the wall, and we're gonna crease it. Like so. Now with that crease, we're just gonna run the blade right up that crease. Like I said, you really need a sharp knife. And just like that, you have a nice clean edge on your drywall. For more tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.